So the three magical words for a change. It is only you are gold. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all put our hands together for the lovely lady, Miss Aarti Saxena. Over to you, dear ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Um, Today, I'm going to take you through the You Are Gold campaign. This is basically a gold category campaign to promote gold category in India. Before I get into the specifics, I would like to talk about how it all started. We at World Gold Council, we invest heavily in a lot of research and insights. And in last few years, in decade or so, there has been a dip in gold demand. One of our global consumer survey that we did, and when we looked at India-specific data, you'll be surprised to know, and I know that there have been a lot of data which has been spoken about today, but 65% of the millennials in India, they feel there's a disconnect with gold jewelry, 65%. It's a staggering number. We know India's population, 65% of our population is below 35 years old. So that is the number of people we're talking about, and they are feeling a disconnect with gold jewelry when it comes to fashionability, when it comes to suitability, when it's about if they don't think that gold jewelry, they identify with it, it helps them express themselves. So these are the issues which we identified, and that's the reason why we took a step back and launched You Are Gold campaign in partnership with GJBC. Can I please request to play the films which I've shared with you?
अब तो बताओ ना, what are we celebrating?
Anu.
Oh, thank you.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello? Yes, sir. Oh, that's great news. Definitely, sir. I'll send it across. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Kunal, not now, yaar. You know, with your startup and all, it's...
I know. I just got the call. Investor approval मिल गया.
What?
Yes. काशी कॉल डिनर के पहले आ जाता है यार. Before I asked you this, will you be my business partner?
ओपनिंग ऑफर तो बहुत अच्छा है. बोनस तो मिलेगा ना?
Every moment that makes you you deserves to be celebrated with gold.
भैया, हो गई मेरी पोस्टिंग.
You really want to do this, huh? ये लीजिए, डॉक्टर ने दी.
पोस्टिंग के लिए?
तुमने ये क्लिनिक इसलिए चुना ना क्योंकि उस गांव को एक डॉक्टर की जरूरत है. तो तुम्हारे ये बड़े दिल के लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट.
आप रोना मत, हाँ प्लीज अब.
Every moment that makes you you deserves to be celebrated with gold. You are gold.
Presentation, please. We've heard a lot about product, brands, differentiation, the power of storytelling, and that's what we've done with our campaign. What I'm going to share about is what went behind, the thinking behind the campaign. You know, when we looked at gold, gold has a very strong legacy when it comes to our culture, our festivals, our tradition. Any of Diwali or wedding, anniversaries, childbirth, gold is extremely strong. It's not just that. When we look at familial relationship, and it's not just partners or husband and wife, it's also about from parents to daughter or daughter-in-law, or from grandparents to daughter and daughter-in-law. So it's something which is so strong in all these relationships. When you look at all these occasions, they're mostly traditional in space, if you look at that. And if you look at deeper, it's mostly about those precious moments of life which we share. When we look at millennials' life, because gold is very strong at tradition, which is our stronghold, it doesn't resonate with millennials, the younger generation. That's what we've done with our campaign. We have looked at what are the new traditions in their life which are worth celebrating. What are the new belief system? What are the new values? Who are these people she values a lot, she loves to spend her time with. When I'm talking about her, and I'm using the word her here because the entire campaign is targeted towards the young female, young women, which is between 18 to 34 years old. And that's what we've looked at, that how do we add more meaning? So we understand where the gold legacy is, we understand where the stronghold is, how do we add more meaning to that? And that's what we've done to this campaign, in this campaign. So when you look at the first two stories, the two films which we just played, the first story, it essentially talks about, so the focus is on the storytelling, the focus is on her story, and not a story which we wanted to tell her. So in that particular story, we're basically talking about equality. Today's women are very, very particular about being equal. It's not just about being equal in a marriage, being a better half, but it's also about everything they do together is what she demands, and that's what the first story talks about. And that is the moment when the guy proposes to her, not for marriage, but to be her business partner, is worth celebration, is worth celebrating, and that's where we have placed gold subtly. The second story talks about this relationship between brother and sister. And in that story, the brother gifts her a beautiful gold piece because she is so courageous that she is ready to leave behind the comfort of her urban lifestyle. I mean, when you look at the setup, it's very urban in nature. She is ready to leave behind that, to pursue, to go to a small village because she understands that those are the people who needs a doctor the most. And that's what the story talks about, pursuing your passion, her dream. And that's where the entire campaign has been conceptualized. I'm going to share some more creative. This is for the static medium. We've created 2 films which has already been released. There are 2 more films coming in October, November. These are static medium essentially for print like magazines, newspaper, or hoardings, billboard, or any other static medium which you would see. The creative says Nikki Saha, dreamer yesterday, entrepreneur today. Every moment that makes you you deserves to be celebrated with gold. You are gold. What we're focusing here is that she was dreaming till yesterday, but today she's an entrepreneur. And these are the moments which are important in her life and deserves to be celebrated with gold. You are gold. That's her tagline. Kiara, Ruby, and Nisha, competitive co-workers, budding co-travelers. We know young women are stepping out and working. And at her workplace, that's her world, a new world, which is essentially her colleagues. She's not only competing at work, but she's also enjoying with them. She's stepping out, shopping, watching movies, even traveling. And that's the insight that we've used. And what you would notice in this particular campaign is not just about the big successes. Yes, she's an entrepreneur. The first film which you saw was about being a business partner. It's also about the lighter moment in life which you love to spend with people you cherish a lot. And this is where we've looked at your own friends at your workplace, and that's something which we've leveraged here. Next is Roma Gupta, loving daughter, now worthy heir. So she's all ready to take on her father's business, and that is the moment which we're looking at celebrating with gold. In the entire campaign, what we've done is we have tried creating a lot of new occasion, placed gold subtly. Gold has, like I spoke about initially, that gold has its specific occasions which has been celebrated, but these are the new occasions which we are looking at building on for gold. Ruhi Oberoi and Gia Oberoi, sisters by birth, now friends for life. They're not just sisters, but they're also friends. And these are the lighter moments which we're looking at celebrating with gold. Sheetal Sharma, life partner, now business partner too. This is something which is very similar to our main film, but it's a static medium. The last one is Samara Singh, caring grandchild turned tech guru. I'm pretty sure that you must have seen it, especially during the pandemic, that the older generation is struggling with gadgets, whether it's a laptop or if it's a mobile, and the younger generation, the younger kids are helping them out. That's who she is, that's what she believes in, that's what she stands for, and these are all those beautiful moments spent with beautiful people in her life is something which is worth celebrating with gold. I would just briefly talk about jewelry. You must have noticed that from jewelry perspective, we have looked at very different concepts here. I understand there's been a lot of discussion on wedding, but for millennials, yes, it would be lighter or less low grammage jewelry, which probably would do the trick. But we can always explore concepts. If you look at the third, fourth, and fifth pieces, these are all concepts. She really doesn't need to wear one bracelet only, or she doesn't need to just, we don't need to promote only one chain. Layering is pretty cool. Stacking is pretty cool too. Why just one finger? Why not multiple finger? Why just this and not this? Just keep exploring concepts which would appeal to her, because this gives her that freedom to create her own identity. They want to be unique. Yes, we as an industry are creating a lot of designs, but this gives her freedom to pick and choose and create something which is so unique to her. Through our research, we've also realized that the youngsters prefer less yellow gold jewelry, and that's the reason why we have looked at gold jewelry pieces which is little less yellow. There's also been a lot of insights that we got from the youngster where they like pink gold a lot. We don't have it here, but we will be exploring that as well. But this is something which we got from our own consumer survey. I would just touch upon the media strategy. We have looked at television. It is the biggest medium in the country. But we have also looked at digital big time. I think we've spoken a lot about digital already, social, Facebook, Instagram, influencers, already been spoken about. And that's the thing these are all media types which we are exploring for this campaign. From TV perspective, we have not only looked at the mainline, the Hindi channels, Hindi and English channels, but we have also explored a lot of regional channels as well. This is some of the channels which we have done in the first burst in July and August. The first campaign burst is already over. The second burst will start in October, November. We've also considered impact property, IPL. So when you watch IPL this time, starting 1st October, you will get to see our third film, which will be launching with IPL. On digital, like I mentioned, and I think it's already been covered by a lot of people before, but YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram, Google banners, I think these are extremely important when it comes to targeting the younger generation. They are on mobile 24/7. There is absolutely no way. If you want to reach them, this is the way, and we are using all this medium in a very, very aggressive manner. One important medium which has come up in last 4 to 5 years, and it's really has shown a big growth during the pandemic, is the OTT, over-the-top platforms. I'm sure you would have heard of Netflix, Disney Hotstar, YouTube, of course, Amazon Prime. So these are the medium which has loads and loads of content, and there's a culture of binge watching now. So people start in the morning and probably finish in the night. They just keep watching content after content. We have considered Disney Hotstar, which is the biggest OTT platform in India with more than 180 million subscriber base. And we are advertising and promoting our campaign in Disney Hotstar. Influencers, I think influencers also been covered extensively, but what we've done is we have looked at two different set of influencers. The first one is lifestyle, so it's about travel, some of the actors, singers. So this is more in the lifestyle space, but we've also considered achievers, sports people. Why? Because like I mentioned that in our campaign, when we're talking about You Are Gold, it's about celebrating her dreams, celebrating her passion. And through influencer story, what we're looking at is, and I spoke about story, the power of storytelling, what we're looking at with all the influencers, these influencers are talking about gold in a very positive way, telling their own personal story that how they struggled, how they didn't give up, and how when they succeeded, they celebrated with a beautiful piece of gold, which is the most cherished thing they have. And that's the kind of story which you would see. We already have Bhumi Pednekar, which is already live now. And we also have Neeti Mohan. I'm sure you would know her. She's a really big singer. So this is it. So from my side, this is how we're looking at approaching the campaign. Like I mentioned, that the next burst comes in October and November. And we are looking at promoting gold extensively going forward, especially targeting millennials. And we're reaching out to the industry to ensure that we continue to focus on more storytelling, show gold in its most beautiful form, keep looking at more occasions to sell gold, and that's what we're looking at here. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question or anything, you can reach out to me off stage. Thank you.
So she made us feel we are gold. So a special round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Aarti Saxena.